Let me show you two methods of making your own cough and catarrh medicine at home. This medicine is very effective and it is very good for children. All you need to do is bring out your purple onion cut into ring, then put it into an airtight jar, then proceed to adding in your honey. Please use raw honey for this, not the adulterated honey. Then cover and allow to sit in a warm place. All you need to do is take 1 tablespoon daily and that's it. Let me also show you another method of making this. All you need is your bitter cola. You grind it, dry and grind into powder, then add it into a jar, then add in palm oil to it. Please make sure you are using original palm oil. Give everything a good mix and allow to sit for 6 to 12 hours. All you need to do is just take 1 tablespoon and that's